Alright, let's get straight to it. Is Eleanor Rose Monterey the legit boutique it claims to be? Or is this just another online scam ready to snatch your cash? If you've stumbled across their final clearance sale, promising everything must go after 40 years in business, let me stop you right there. That's a classic trick to get you buying fast, and it's everywhere in the scammy side of online shopping. Here's what you need to know. First, the trust score is rock bottom. I'm talking about floods of one-star reviews on Trustpilot. People are complaining about junk quality products, super slow shipping, sometimes from China, and, worst of all, total radio silence if you try to contact customer service. Let's talk photos. If those product pics look a little too good to be true, they probably are. Loads of these images are just lifted from big-name retailers. What you actually get? Cheap knockoffs that barely resemble what you ordered. And if you're hoping to return something, good luck. The so-called return policy is buried in fine print, usually with hidden fees or ridiculous shipping costs that make returns almost impossible. If you already hit that buy button, don't panic. Here's what I recommend. Contact your bank ASAP, watch for any weird charges, and keep every email and screenshot. And definitely check Reddit scam lists to see if Eleanor Rose Monterey pops up. Final verdict? Don't risk it. With so many warning signs, I would stay far, far away. Stick to stores with a real track record and avoid losing your money or your patience. Stay sharp, shop smart, and don't let fake boutiques fool you.